Cutting slots in aluminum sheets can be a nightmare if you use the wrong tools. The soft metal heats up and sticks to your bit, creating a solid mess. This is called galling. Once your tool is clogged, it stops cutting and starts rubbing, which generates even more heat and can ruin your workpiece. The secret to avoiding this is the single-cut Carbide Burr. Its specific geometry is designed specifically for soft, non-ferrous metals like aluminum. Unlike double-cut burrs that have a diamond pattern, the single cut has one continuous spiral. This acts like a screw thread to pull material out fast. Because these flutes are wider and deeper, they give the soft aluminum chips a clear exit path before they have a chance to melt and stick. In this comparison, you can see how the single-cut burr throws large, clean chips away from the work area, keeping the flutes clear and the temperature down. Aluminum loves speed. You want to keep your RPMs high so that centrifugal force helps fling those larger chips out of the tool as you cut. When you maintain that high speed, the single-cut burr slices through the sheet like butter, giving you much better control over your slot geometry. You'll also notice a significantly cleaner edge. A clogged double-cut burr tends to tear the metal, while the single cut leaves a smooth, professional finish. A clean cut means less time spent deburring and sanding later. It's about efficiency and getting the job done right the first time. Always choose solid carbide over high-speed steel. Carbide handles the heat of high-speed aluminum cutting without losing its sharp edge. Carbide is incredibly rigid and heat-resistant. While it costs a bit more upfront, the tool life you get back when cutting aluminum is worth every penny. For the absolute best results, especially on deep slots, use a little bit of aluminum cutting wax or a light lubricant to keep things moving. Just a small amount of wax on the tip of the burr provides a barrier that makes it nearly impossible for the aluminum to weld to the carbide. And don't forget safety. Those aluminum chips are hot and they fly fast. Always wear your safety glasses and a face shield. Protecting yourself is the most important part of the job. High-speed metalwork requires the right gear to keep you safe in the shop. Single-cut burrs aren't just for straight lines. They come in ball nose, cylindrical, and tree shapes to handle any slotting challenge you have. Whether you're carving rounded channels or deburring tight corners, there's a single-cut shape that will make your aluminum work easier. To recap, switch to single-cut carbide burrs for your aluminum projects. You'll cut faster, avoid the headache of clogging, and get a better finish. The results speak for themselves. Professional-grade slots require the right professional-grade tools. Upgrade your toolkit today. Thanks for joining me today. Try out a single-cut burr on your next aluminum sheet project and let us know how it goes. Happy building! For more technical guides and metalworking tips, stay tuned. We'll see you in the next one.